what's up you guys? My name is Annalise.
My name is Bravo.
And welcome back to my channel. My channel is about me cooking various things to improve my culinary skills. But the twist is either my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, or someone else picks the recipe, and I have no clue what it is until the day of recording. My ingredients. So we got chicken.
Which is some type of meat.
Yes. We got garlic. Got lemongrass. We got a cucumber. We got cilantro.
Which is I don't like.
Okay. I don't know what the heck this is. Look like little onions, like little red onions.
Yeah, they do.
We got fish sauce.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, these are Thai chilies.
Ooh.
Have pepper.
Your pepper.
Salt. Cane sugar. I don't know what we're making.
Do you want me to tell you?
You don't know what we're making.
Last time I said pancakes.
Yeah, it's not pancakes. So I'm making lemongrass chicken.
I knew it.
Alrighty.
I love this music.
Hey guys, I'm Young Long Guest. Welcome to Asian at Home.
Action.
So today's episode is gonna be a little bit different. On top of cooking, I'm gonna be learning knife skills and
Cooking skills too.
and yeah, it's gonna be a little bit different for some of the episodes. I'm not sure if it's every single episode or just like different ones, but yeah, I'm gonna be having different videos of cooking skills, but I'm gonna be getting better at my knife skills with a video by Anthony Bourdain.
Basic proficiency with a knife, okay? Everybody should know how to use a knife. It ain't that hard, okay? Onion, first of all. Don't hold your hand like this. Never like this. Like this. Your hand turned, your left hand, the one holding the object to be cut at a 45-degree angle. And why do you do this? Because if you're like this, you can easily lop off your thumb or really do yourself some serious damage. That's one reason. When you're like this, the tips of your fingers tucked in like this. So the worst thing you can do to yourself is just shave off a little flap there. It's a hell of a lot better than a thumb injury. Okay, onion, you peel it, you cut off the ends. I'm looking for like a medium-sized dice, okay? So you cut it in half.
Two ways to debone a chicken thigh. You can use a knife, or you can do it the right way with your right hands.
What do you think?
Good. Good. How's it taste?
I like it.
No, you don't.
I know remind
Food?
No. Yeah.
Does it remind you of China?
That's an Asian food though. Or you can say what?
Remind you of China. There are a lot of flavors going on. I wasn't sure about that fish sauce, but it's it's not overpowering the way that it smells. I love the smell. It's absolutely delicious, and you should definitely try it for yourself.
That sounded so genuine.
I don't know how to sound genuine. I'm hungry. I just want to eat. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when I post. If you guys want to check out the original video, the link's in the description. And yeah, thank you for watching.
And I'm ready for it. You're waiting. Peace.